We all know that we humans and animals depend on plants for food and oxygen. Now one question really comes in our mind. How do plants grow? Let's think. Oh yes, I got it. We all eat different types of fruits like mangoes, cherries, papayas, and after eating, we throw away the seeds. Oh yes, a seed into a plant. So let's see the story of seeds. How a tiny seed turns to mighty tree. Soak some seeds in water for a couple of days. Now take one of that seed. We will notice that the outer covering of the seed has swelled because the seed was in water. Now what is this outer covering known as? This outer covering is known as the seed coat. After removing the seed coat, we will find two seed leaves or cotyledons. After separating them, we will find a small baby plant inside it. This baby plant has a tiny shoot and a tiny root. Food for the baby plant is already stored in the seed. As long as the baby plant does not grow green leaves, it depends on the food which is stored in the seed. There are two types of seeds, monocot seed and dicot seed. Let's learn about it. Dicot seeds. Seeds of some plants like gram, peas, beans, etc. have two seed leaves and are called dicot seeds. Monocot seed. Seeds of some plants like maize, wheat, rice, etc. have one seed leaf and are called monocot seed. By simply observing its leaf, we can guess what type of fruit and seed the plant have without plucking the plant from the ground. For example, these leaves are the sample of parallel venations. So by observing these leaves, we can say it has a monocot seed and it has a fibrous root types. Whereas these are the examples of reticulate venations. So by observing these leaves, we can say it has a dicot seed and it has a tap root system. The development of a seed into a seedling is called seed germination. We all need food for growth. Similarly, plants also need food for growth. See, I have grown here one plant. So let's see after some days how it becomes. See, it's begun to grow. This is a gram plant. A plant produces so many seeds. Plants are fixed to the ground and cannot move from one place to another. So what if all seeds fall and germinate near the mother plant? They would not get enough sunlight, food, water and space to grow. Because of this, many seedlings would not survive. Hence, there are some agents in nature to scatter these seeds. The process of scattering of seeds or fruits away from their parent plants is called dispersal of seeds. Dispersal is carried out by wind, water, animals and by the explosion of fruits. These are called agents of dispersal. The special structures of certain seeds or fruits help these seeds in dispersals. Seeds of some plants like cotton, madder and hyptates have hairs or wings, so they can easily be carried out by wind. A lotus fruit has a spongy part and coconut has a fibrous outer covering which enables them to float on water. Some seeds have hooked spines, stiff hairs which get stuck to the furry skin of animals, feathers of birds and even to our clothes. Some birds often swallow some seeds which come out unchanged in their dropping. A pea's fruit bursts open when dry. The force of explosion helps these seeds to scatter.